The next thing I'm going to show you is the swatches panel. So over here on the right hand side in my panels menu, I have the swatches panel. If yours is not showing up here, go to Window, Color, Swatches, and it will add it to your swatches menu. Okay, the swatches panel, since we are in CMYK mode, by default it has 6 predefined CMYK swatches and black paper and registration, which is a mix of inks to create black. Okay, to use the swatches panel, first I'm going to create a rectangle, and I'm going to choose the rectangle tool down here in the left hand toolbar, and I'm going to click and drag to create a rectangle. And now I had a blue swatch selected, so it automatically filled with blue. If you go to the swatches panel and click on any of these swatches, it will change the color, the fill color to that swatch. There are many ways to create your own custom swatches. One way that I like to use is using the color panel, which is bundled here with the swatches panel. Again, if you don't see it, go to Window, Color, Color, and it will add it to your panel menu. So I'm going to double click on the color, or I'm going to click on the color panel to open it up. And in here you can see it's got a spectrum here or the tint ramp from white to fully saturated based on the swatch that I selected. You can change this view by clicking on the menu here and choosing one of these color modes. I'm going to choose CMYK since that's what we're using in this project. And the CMYK spectrum will show up here. And you can click in there to select a color. You can also move the cyan, magenta, yellow, or black sliders. Or what I like to do again is double click on the color square here, the swatch square, and the color picker will show up. This is the RGB color space view. This is fine. InDesign will convert your colors to CMYK. You can use this to help you pick a color, or grab this eyedropper tool here in the bottom right corner, click on it, hold down your mouse, and hover over your image, and you can see that it is selecting colors from the image. So I'm going to release my mouse here, and that green from my image is the currently selected color. Now if I want to save this color in my swatches panel, I'll click Add CMYK Swatch, and not only did it change the color of my rectangle to that color, it also added this color to my swatches panel. So if I want to use the same green multiple times in my image and stay consistent, I can choose it right from the swatches panel instead of trying to hover over the image and find the same one again. And click OK. And there it is. And now, back in the swatches panel, down here at the bottom, my color has been added. You can also change the tint of the color up here at the top, and that will change it from fully saturated to 0 saturation or white. Or up here you can change the transparency, opacity of the selected fill, and then you can see your image through it.